In this video, we will learn all about the fault. P0732. What does it mean? Symptoms, causes, and how to solve it. We also respond frequent questions related to this error. First, what does error code P0732 mean? Error code P0732 refers to a specific problem with a vehicle's automatic transmission. Specifically, it indicates a gear-to ratio incorrect condition. This means that the ratio between vehicle speed and transmission speed in second gear does not match the manufacturer's specifications. This discrepancy can be caused by several factors, such as wear on transmission components or problems with the sensors that monitor speed. What are the symptoms of DDC P0732? Gear shifting problems. The vehicle may have difficulty shifting from first to second gear, or it may shift jerkily. Poor performance. A decrease in overall vehicle performance may be noticeable, such as slower acceleration or delayed response when pressing the accelerator pedal. Weight. Important. If this information is useful to you, please subscribe. That way you motivate us to continue uploading more videos. What causes DDC code P0732? Faulty input or output speed sensors. Problems with the wiring harness or electrical connections related to the sensors. Wear or failure of internal transmission components. Problems with the transmission control unit, TCM. What are the possible solutions for OBD2 error code P0732? Inspect and, if necessary, replace the input and output speed sensors. Check the electrical connections and wiring harness for damage or short circuits. If problems persist, a transmission overhaul and repair by a qualified mechanic may be required. Reset the error code after making the repairs and perform a road test to confirm the problem has been resolved. We'll answer some frequently asked questions. Can a vehicle with error code P0732 be driven? It is possible to drive a vehicle with error code P0732, but it is recommended to do so with caution and limit the vehicle's speed and load. It is essential to address this problem as soon as possible, as continued operation with this fault can worsen transmission damage and increase repair costs. Which sensors are related to the P0732 fault? The sensors related to the P0732 fault are: transmission speed sensor. This sensor measures the rotational speed of the transmission output shaft. The PCM uses this information to determine the appropriate gear ratio for each gear. If the transmission speed sensor is faulty, the PCM may generate a P0732 code if it determines that the second gear ratio is not correct. Second gear shift solenoid. This solenoid controls the second gear clutch. If the second gear shift solenoid is faulty, the clutch may not operate properly, which can result in a P0732 code. In addition to these two sensors, the transmission control module, PCM, can also generate a P0732 code if it detects a discrepancy between the actual gear ratio and the expected gear ratio for second gear. How much would it cost to repair a P0732 fault? Repair costs for a P0732 fault can vary depending on the underlying cause of the problem. Faulty second gear shift solenoid, $100 to $200. Faulty transmission speed sensor, $50 to $100. Faulty transmission control module, $500 to $1,000. Faulty automatic transmission, $1,000 to $10,000. It is important to note that these are only estimated costs, and the actual repair cost may vary depending on the vehicle and the repair shop. Without further ado, I hope this video has been useful to you and you can solve your problem. See you in a next video. Bye-bye.